Welcome to a quick training session on creating blog posts. Log in as the website owner. You start at the dashboard, jump down to posts, and here's where all your posts are. We're going to copy one of these. Just a first little step first, though, is prepping. Make sure you've found an image and you've uploaded it to the image library, the media library. We'll assume you've already done that, so there's an image ready to go. You can source them from freepik.com.au. It'd be a good one for blog posts because they're, as the word suggests, free. You might have stock images, you might have your own photos. However you find your stock images, you download them, crop, compress them, prepare them so they're the right size, basically, and then load them to your media library. So we'll assume you've got the image ready to go. So doing a post, pick an existing post that you want to basically copy a format that you already like. So you might have looked at some of your other posts. Normally the template will be all the same, but it is possible to have different templates. It's quite flexible, but all we do is jump up to, and this is one way of doing it, where you've got a complex post design in this case. Add new, use Divi Builder. Then you've got a choice of templates. We want to choose an existing page. So I've just said there's a post that you've already done that you want to choose. We've gone to the load from library. There's some pre-made layouts and saved layouts. We can stick to the existing pages. Just scroll down and find a blog post that you like the look of. Previously, I'll just use that one. What is the lymphedema, let's say, or actually we'll use which one? Here we go. 5 steps to detoxify your body. I've looked at that previously. I'm going to use that. I'm going to use this layout. There's a live demo that would just use this layout. I'm now using the layout. Now in this case, instead of just a normal text box, this post template's got quite complex sections and preset formatting. It's like a mini web page. Lots of different sections, but all you really want to do is change 3 things. Number 1, is give the blog post a new heading because this is a copy. Number 2, you want to change the text. Text is normally in the gray level modules, the content modules. Here's the text. Click on the setting icon and there's your text. You can drag and drop the box a little bit open, a bit bigger, and you could go in here and edit the text. In this text section, in this text box, you could add media. You can add further images inside different sections of the text. Think of like a newspaper article online. You can add more images here. Once you are happy with that, you can, if you don't like it, you can discard it, or otherwise you can save it, tick the green X, and you've made the changes. The final step is to give this blog post an image. By the way, in some cases you might have different categories for your blogs. It really is a content engine, not just a blog. If you're doing it that way, so tick a category if you've got that option. Add tags for searching and good for Google. But the main third step for all blog posts is give it an image. Down the bottom right hand corner, you set featured image. You go to the image library where you've already loaded an image ready to use, set featured image. And then if I preview the new heading blog post, just to make sure it's all good, bingo. In this case, there's a big hero image. There's the new blog heading, there's the featured image and the text below, plus some fancy formatting with searches on the side, etc. So it's like a mini web page. Job done.